Who said YouTube had to be perfect? Who said YouTube had to have the perfect videos, the perfect audio, the perfect caption? Who exactly made those rules? Personally, I think YouTube can just be whatever you want it to be. Hi, my name is Fashionary aka Deeyah. I am a front-end developer, an aspiring embedded systems engineer, and a soon-to-be graduate. Yes, I am graduating soon. To those of you that know me, or to those of you that are hearing about me for the first time, I created this channel initially for tutorials, to share my knowledge, but now I am revamping a little. This time around, I am not just sharing tutorials, I am also going to be sharing my journey, documenting my life, and also sharing my knowledge in the process. You're going to be seeing a lot of videos around front-end development, a lot of videos around embedded systems engineering, and also a lot of videos about me just yapping and complaining about life. Because if you live in Nigeria, I'm sure you have one or two things to complain about. Anyways, this is like the second time I'm saying anyways. One thing I want you to know is my videos are not going to be the usual pitch perfect, no grammatical blunders, no issue videos. I'm probably going to make a lot of mistakes. I am most likely maybe going to have some grammatical blunders which I'm not going to edit out. And also I'm going to be talking about something we call shege in Nigeria. Any shege I'm going through, any shege I am going through, I'm going to be sharing it here, and I hope you guys can relate. No, not hope. I hope to be like a wrong choice of word. I know some of you would relate. So if you do relate, all ears. I am all in the comments waiting for what you have to say too. This channel is getting revamped a little, and I am drifting a little away from strict tutorials. With that said, that is everything you're going to be seeing on my channel. So don't be surprised. This is just a video to get you to understand what the channel is about. So you won't be surprised if you see a brand new aesthetic or a brand new form of videos that I do. I've grown, it's been a while, and hopefully I am here to stay a little longer. So, bye, and see you in my next videos.